I'm Brittany with WTI, and this is the family dog, Jazzy. And we want to share with you our favorite Taglory dog leash with you. Not only does Jazzy love the color, but it has a great button that allows you to easily lock and release to allow your dog to go explore or stay close to you if you see another person, another dog, or for me personally, I like to be on the trails if you see her maybe going towards a cactus that she shouldn't smell. So the reason why I love this leash is because it's not a cord that comes out, but is an actual strap. So it's very durable. I don't have to worry about it tearing or getting overly tangled on my pup. So this is definitely for ones who are dog lovers, who love making sure their animal gets good exercise, like you. Yes, you do. Mwah. This is a great leash to have. We love it, and we hope you and your pup will love it as well. And that's our point of view.